Dakok tei bukuk song Norni buskango Ani yago tongo Sini contestants ni results Ang norno Tai bisi degrilia Norok kesangka Norok Zorau kobo kolom khana Piaba Tai kisisa zorana sindi Hadi, sing tabok, our result no naina bagi thami jong. Sini contestants rock, not ready da, not ready kan able. Pai phano, paya phano. Tini ni result, nor ni tali khawo, nor ni history wo tini ni yagulo sejaka noro asik kosto khlai asik sa jorar woi noro de oro sopeka noro ni talent bai noro ni phan bai noro ni sirumung bai noro ni rehearse bai noro tini oro sopeka sini EMs sini MDCs tai sini former EM botong Borobo joto khakali na sabana narane sabana nariga result aba haina nongkhorka semi finale wo khorok tham tai ngui narok or khorok sajona nar sopeka khorok ba tongna jaga wo narni kepal kaham tini or result non announce kaisine but before that Sini baji ready na to? Nara joto ready na? Are you ready? Thank you. And the result is Tolo ni bukakti kam cheng sinai. Mehli Debbarma on the stage, please. Ang tabu nuin hat sinai sini buskango MDC Uma Shankar sini buskango sini bukuk mehelino bini a shokato ya fana bagi Bukuk Mehli Bo sixth position sing by Baksake competition round grand finale sixth position Bo Paika. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, Mehli on the sixth position. Sing Jota Yap please. Man get sing Timothy Kong. Bonnie Logio Bonnie check ya farjangai Bonnie check ya farjangai 5,000 rupees check you so much, Mehli, for that wonderful competition put forward in grand finale. Next, fifth position of table song. Are you ready? Paitongo, Nornibuskango. Contestants, are you ready? Fifth position of Paga, Bukuk, Ishita, Tipra. Thank you. So go to please. And Bono Yapana Bagay, Bedi Shokano Yapana Bagay, and Numina Hanai, Emily, Patanlal Jamatia on the stage. Sengjoto Yapakolan, please. Bondi Bagay. Takok tay bukuk song. On the fourth position, Belaike Wansumani Yagulo, Belaike tough competition Yagulo, fourth position of Sopaka, tie. Semi-finale wo Khoroktam tie rakha. Khoroktam equal marks में बर फाइका, but finale wo Khorok नहीं fourth round of Sopaka. So let me announce the names. Priya Chamata on the stage, please. Next, may I call upon Basrang Debbarma on the stage, please. May I now call upon the Chief Legal Advisor, Dr. Mohan Jamatia on the stage, please. And CEO of TTAADC, CK Jamatia on the stage, please, sir. Borok Ngay, Sini, fourth position of Sopeka. Borok Kaneni Bishigo, Saman numbers, Mama Bagay, Borok Tayo Sopeka. Sengjoto Yapakor Lenina Born Bagay, please. And Tabuk ang no nibuskango announce kanya na idongo. The second runners-up mane third position of Ninjago. Bonibong nang tabuk no nibuskango announce kanya na. Let me call upon Miss Sushmita Debbarma on the stage, second runners-up. May I now call upon the EM of TTAADC ICA Department, Joel Debbarma on the stage, please. Dai, Bonnie, check amount of rupees 25,000 along with the guitar. Malaika Hambay. Duglayo ito sa inyo itang Pinay. Sini. First runners up. Oh. Bukuk Sushmita nini trophies. Bas kango Yaparzaka, Sini EM ICA Department and Sports Nibisin Tike, Suhel Debbarma. Ladies and gentlemen, let us now welcome the first runners-up of tonight's event. And a very tough competition to the winner is Sabo Saidaman. Ready? Sabo. Baksani tik panang mano. Baksani enya panang mano. But sing jota ya pakhong le nei jota chir khong le nei. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Rahel Kalo on the stage, please. This is the first runners-up. Rahel Kalo on the stage. Bono ya phana bagi ang koi nai. Sini GTA di sini ngai. EM featuring Rajesh Tipra. Balai kahambai. Kaisa trophy. Logio 50,000 rupees check amount. 50,000 rupees. Boni logio kaisa guitar. Ladies and gentlemen, we have our first runners-up. Check amount to rupees 50,000. And Nonibus Gango and Tabuksini final winner. No announce Kaina Naito. Piaba winner na sigang Tubuklak. Pulang nung winahanay sini GTA di sini CEM Purno Chandra Jamatia stage of Hanabagi sir, please. And now, that final round. The final round is Rupesh Debbarma on the stage, please. The winner of TTAADC presents Tipra Idol Season 1. Guys, a trophy, guys, a guitar, logo, guys, a scooty tie, 1 lakh rupees amount of check, and a scooty. Sengjoto ya pakhonglan ni Navin Bagay. And this is history. From today on, second edition ni bagay. Tahu te boksong, nang joto ready de dong. Sing Tipra Idol Season 2. Dewa isan hai, hai next halo. Sing tu bi mai. Tahu te